Hey guys, Richard here. Em and I are headed for a ride, and we're going to grab a little lunch while we're out. We're going to stop at the little sandwich shop, our little country sandwich shop. You know, Emma, our little country sandwich shop has been suffering because the last few times we've been in there haven't been a whole lot of business.
Yeah.
Oh, Emma doesn't have her helmet on. Look. She's like,
I can hear you.
I hear you, but I don't really hear you.
Just not as loudly as I could.
Anyway, so what I was saying is our little country sandwich shop has been suffering because since all the new development has been moving in down the road, people are eating other places now. There's other options. Let's go this way, Emma. So when you have more options, yeah, you're going to lose business. And it's unfortunate because it's a family-run business, and they've been there for 40 years. Back when there was nothing out here but cows, pretty much, they were in business. And they've got really good sandwiches, really fresh, simple ingredients, nothing spectacular, just simple Subway-style sandwiches, but so much better than Subway. I don't even eat at Subway. I don't like Subway. But their sandwiches are really good. So when we get a chance to go over there and grab a sandwich from them, we try to give them a little business. That's where we're headed. But we're going to go about it a little differently today because we're going to take a little different route. Just because we want to change things up. All right, Emma, so we're going to have to cross the busy road to get to the sidewalk on the other side.
Okay.
So doing all this construction work down through here, we can't even get to the intersection. So we're going to have to cross over here. Ready? There's no one coming to the right. Slow down and then we'll keep going. Now there's nothing on the right, so we'll just keep going over here. We get to go over by that new park again and just kind of zip through there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So guys, there's something going on that we haven't talked about here on the channel yet. I'm going to make a special video about it, but I got to do some more research. But several months ago, we saw that the county here was proposing some changes to basically some ordinances here within the county to control the use of e-bikes. And supposedly they decided to enact that, and it doesn't sound like they did any kind of public hearings, didn't get any input from anyone. They just decided that they were going to create some rules and they stuck them out there. So we're going to finish doing some research on that, and we're going to bring that to you. Now here on the channel, we've talked about it for the last year or so that we know e-bike laws are going to continue to be enforced, that there's going to be more and more e-bike laws to control e-bikes and the use of them in different places. You know, I'm surprised there isn't some kind of federal regulation on it that's actually enforced. But the problem is it's not really enforced. There's nothing. Then there's some states are doing it. Some cities have done it. And now we're directly dealing with our county. So yeah, some changes that I'm not happy with. They're trying to force everybody into the bike lane, and some of you folks are already used to that, and that's just where you ride. And we've got a lot of criticism on this channel when people see, hey, you know, why are you on the sidewalks? The county out here wasn't built with bikes in mind, and so in some places they do have bike lanes. A lot of places they don't have bike lanes. They do have a lot of sidewalks, and you know, we've been riding for a little bit now, and this is our second pedestrian right here that we're about to come upon. And beyond that, you can look, the sidewalks are wide open. So when you have a multi-use path or a sidewalk like this, it's just much easier to ride on that. Coming up behind you. He doesn't hear us. Coming up behind you, on your right. Okay, we're on your right. So, and I'm not opposed to bike lanes at all. If they were just streets like this. This is a fairly new street, fairly new road, and it was designed with a really nice wide bike lane. I have no problem with that, especially since there's not a lot of traffic out here. But this is such a high traffic area. Everybody wants to move to Florida. Then we have what's called the snowbirds. We have all the people from the north that come down just for the winter months. Traffic is atrocious. And you can't ride on a lot of these roads, even in the bike lane. It's just way too unsafe. There's just too much traffic. There's too many people weaving in and out of the bike lanes. And it doesn't make a whole lot of sense when you have a sidewalk that's wide open. Just wide open because, people don't like walking on the sidewalk. It's just a rare thing. So we got a lot of heartburn with some of the laws. Some of the laws or the ordinance I agree with, but some of it I disagree with completely. So Emma, we're going to go up here, then we're going to actually get in the street, go through the circle.
Okay.
But it's something we're going to have to deal with and figure out. So it's going to really affect us here and how we do things, because we're kind of limited on where we can ride. And a lot of places that we like to go to, we get there because... You still back there, Emma?
Yeah.
A lot of places we try to get to, it's via, sidewalks, because there's not bike paths. Are you honking at you, Emma?
Yeah.
Why?
He was just coming up behind me, and obviously the lane ends here, and there's not really a merging spot with the lane. It just kind of changes, and
yeah.
He was trying to let me go over, but I couldn't tell because he came up on my butt so quick.
Yeah, we'll just zip up here. Yeah, we got this big, huge pavilion now. Artificial turf. Great place for the kids to come and play. I mean, keeps the rain off if it happens to be raining. Keeps the sun off, which is most important. Nice big area. They can do some outdoor concerts and things here. Don't get hit by the weed whacker there, Emma.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, even got a water fountains over here for the kids to play in. Playground up here on the right. Really nice addition to the community. What do you think, Emma? Nice park?
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's one of the nicest parks that I've seen in the area.
Mm-hmm.
Anywhere around. All right, we'll go back out here on this shell.
I like that they preserved a lot of the greenery and a lot of the trees and
like this big
things like
monstrous
that.
Tree right here, just gorgeous. Tree's probably 150 years old, just.
Yep. Especially at that size.
Yep. This park's been open for 6 months or something now. I wonder if there's any alligators that have moved in. I found this retention pond. We're going to take a right here.
Okay.
Emma, this path is going to end down here.
Okay.
About, I don't know, 10 yards before we get to the next road. So we'll just have to drive through the grass and the ditch and up the hill to get up to the road. Hopefully there's no water over there like there is over here. I don't think there would be. But. Muddy right there. Oh yeah, a little bit muddy. Get some power, get some balance. Get it through that. You make it okay?
Yep.
Good. Guys, I'm riding the electric X-Peak 2.0, and Emma's riding the Magicycle Ocelot Pro 2.0.
Moo cows. Do you think that one makes chocolate milk?
I bet he does. Why don't you go over there and try?
I'm okay.
Oh no, look at this. We have to go around all this nonsense here. It's all overgrown. Isn't being maintained.
Ooh.
Don't know what that was.
Did you
what
see
was
it? It was a snake.
That was a snake? I heard and I saw out of the corner of my eyes the rustling.
Yep.
Whoa, be careful on the edge there.
Careful.
Whoa. There was a snake in the path.
It's another one of the black ones, probably just a black racer.
Just a black racer. Those are just everywhere here.
Well, it looks like we'll be taking the other sidewalk back.
What's that?
I said, looks like we'll be taking the other sidewalk back with how overgrown all that is.
So they are down here somewhere. There's our sandwich up. Guys, that was a long video. Don't know how much we get cut out, but we are gonna end it here. So we hope you guys enjoyed the ride. Stick around. At the last shot here, we'll probably show you a little something about the sandwiches that we're about to eat. But other than that, we hope you ride responsibly, ride safe. We're gonna see you in another video real soon. Make sure you share this video. Help our channel grow. We appreciate it. Don't we appreciate it? Don't we appreciate it? We appreciate it.